Subject Physical Education for Class 12, Unit 7, Physiology and Injuries in Sports, Part 2. In this unit, we will carry on the topic Prevention from Sports Injuries. How we can prevent ourselves from the sports injuries while performing the games and sports activities. Through these points, we are trying to understand. The point is given regular conditioning and proper skill. Through the regular practice, regular conditioning, or through the proper skills to related to the sports or games activities, or through the proper training methods, we can improve or we can prevent ourselves from the sports injuries while performing the game and sports. Next one, sufficient physical fitness. We should have a sufficient physical fitness which is necessary or related to the sports or games activities. Through that also we have to prevent ourselves from the sports injuries. Next one, consider safety meals. Safety meals is very important because due to that we can protect ourselves through the sports injuries. Proper and safe environment. As per the games or sports activity, the environment should be safe and proper in which we can participate in the sports or games activity very comfortably or smoothly. Next one is activity under experts observation. Means while the performing games or sports activities, we should the practice under the experts observation or under the coach or under the trainer. On the behalf of that, we can prevent ourselves from the sports injuries. Next one, good coaching skills. Through the good coaching skills or trainings, we are also prevent ourselves from the sports injuries. Follow rules. Follow the rules and regulations of the sports or games activities. We can prevent ourselves from the sports injuries. Next one, controlling aggression. While performing the games and sports activities, we can control our aggression or violence. Then we can protect ourselves from the sports injuries. Next one, proper training methods. We should use the proper training methods to related of the sports or games activities. Through that we can prevent ourselves also. Next one, follow training principles and balanced diet. Through the some training principles which are very important or essential for our games or sports activities, we should follow them and we should protect ourselves from the sports injuries. Next one is the balanced diet, which is very important also for our games and sports activities. And use of the good posture also, it is very beneficial and through that we can prevent ourselves from the sports injuries. And some more points also are there, just like knowledge of health, education and first aid. While performing the games and sports injuries, while performing the games and sports activities, if any injury can be happened, then for that the first aid or through the first aid or through the health education, we should prevent ourselves from the sports injuries. And last one is training regarding safe escape. We should training as a well trained or guided properly regarding safe escape from disasters or accidents like line movement, knowledge about using fire exhausters. So these type of the things we can protect ourselves from the sports injuries. So through that we are able to know regarding the prevention from the sports injuries while performing the games and sports activities. So on the behalf of that, these points, we can protect ourselves from the sports injuries while performing the games and sports activities. Thank you.